пацанам посчитать потери. Суммы нули погибают на сцене. Снова один, прогуляюсь без тени. Заливаю лик, поцелуй на шее. Как там, правый назад.
I had a damage in my vehicle at the rear bumper and the quarter panel. So everything, it seems to be perfectly done by ACKO, and I gave my vehicle on Wednesday and got it delivered by Sunday. So I guess four days of TAT was met perfectly. And I would recommend from a scale of 1 to 10, around a 9 or 10 for ACKO for a perfect job which they have done on my vehicle. So I'm pretty much satisfied with what the work they have done. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Last question, would you like to recommend ACKO to your friends and family?
Sure. I can certainly do that. And I have 2 vehicles, both are insured by ACKO. And the reason for that is about the work which they do and the time in which they deliver the work. So I find it very much satisfied.
Суммы нули погибают на сцене. Снова один, прогуляюсь без тени. Заливаю лик, поцелуй на шее. Как там, правый назад, черный каскад. Вижу твой